Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to crop in DaVinci Resolve and scale to fill frame easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device. And once you're already in, it's time to add in the clip in here wherein you want to go ahead and crop. For example, this specific clip in here. Let's drag and drop here onto timeline. First thing or first step that we could do to crop this, we're gonna click onto this video in here, and if you've noticed this icon in here, just click onto this down arrow and there is an option to crop the clip. So as you can see, it will give us an option to go ahead and crop this. So we can make this one smaller, this one as well, and we're gonna go ahead and move it just like this. So as you can see, we've gone ahead and cropped the video in here. Or there is another option to go ahead and crop this. So let's make that bigger again. So another option to go ahead and crop that is to head here under inspector. So simply click onto inspector in here and there should be a cropping option in here. So if you click onto that, it should give you an option to go ahead and tweak the settings in here to crop left, crop right, crop the top and the bottom, and also you could add in some softness onto the side of its cropped part. So as you can see, you could click onto retain image position to retain that. And lastly, to go ahead and scale this to fill the frame, what we need to do, so instead of clicking onto the crop here, onto this down arrow, we're going to click on transform again. So we're going to go ahead and move this over here and let's make this bigger. So as you can see, it did adjust that. Let's remove this one out and let's remove the softness as well. And as you can see, we did crop successfully the video in here. So if you do a quick preview, this is now how the video should look like. And that is how easy you could crop in DaVinci Resolve and scale to fill a frame. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.